organization going to give job, so that you need to give transparency in your personal records. If you have diverse cases, you need to give the crystal clear transparency to your employer actually. Because when they create the new employee ID or when they create the login ID, you need to give the proper documents. When they create the login ID, your background verification status must be the verification or completed status. Previously, if your background verification in progress, they started to create PF account and they started to create your employee ID. Now, MNCs are doing the background verification before joining into the organization, because too many fake profiles, too many moonlight profiles, because of which they are doing the verification first and then they are doing the onboarding process. If you have diverse cases, you need to give the transparency, you need to give your clear information whatever happened actually, because if you are woman, this will react in different way. If you are men, this will react in different way, because men actually you need to submit some documents, you need to give these settlements. There are a lot of process up there. So before, there are different platform, which means before lockdown there are different platform to check your whatever your personal information. For example, civil, there is a separate ID, you need to give PAN card, and for PF creation you need to give Aadhaar, and for criminal record you need to give that criminal ID or FIR number, entire thing. So to check all these different platform, different IDs are there, but in future all going to be one platform. They going to merge with Aadhaar. So when they search with your Aadhaar number, they can track entire information, including your CIBIL, PAN, if you did something wrong, your criminal check, even divorce cases also. So don't hide anything when you join in the big MNCs, because they are giving job to you, they are creating employee ID, they are contributing to you. So that please support your organization, give crystal clear transparency when you submit your background verification related documents. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.